So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What?
How are
How,
you?
hello.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Okay. How are you doing?
Mm. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing pretty well.
Very good.
We are meeting first time, so please
Yes, yes.
like to introduce yourself.
Yeah. If you want to do the introduction first, you can.
Okay. My name is Kalpana. I'm from UP, and if I talk
Okay.
about education, I have done my Master of Art in English
Mm.
and B.Ed. And my interest is in singing, dancing, listening music, and reading books, which is related in English. And at this time, learning this language is my hobby. So that's all about me.
Okay. You sing also?
Yes,
Oh, lovely, lovely.
I'm a professional singer, but I love to sing a song.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Mhm. Um, my name is Sheila. I am based in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And for the past, I've done my post graduation in sociology. And for the past, say, 10 plus years, I am a Hindi tutor. I teach spoken and written Hindi to all age groups. I work from home.
Okay,
This
that's
is it.
great. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
how many languages can you speak?
I can speak, say, around three, four, five, six, 5 to 6 languages.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
tell me more about you.
Yeah,
About
you asked me, no, whatever you want to like know, you ask me, I'll tell you.
okay. Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have a son. He is 26 years old and he also is working. He works from home.
Okay. So nowadays you are teaching.
Yes, yes, yes.
So can you tell me your daily routine?
Daily routine. See, I get up at 4:30 because I have class from 5:30. So after doing my, like the natural routine work, I sit for class at 5:30. So from 5:30 to 7, I have one session. Then after that, I am into preparing breakfast and half lunch. And then again, I have class at 10 o'clock. So from 10 to 11:30, I have another session. Then generally after 11:30, I am involved in cooking lunch. But today, because I had a session with you, I have done my work a little bit earlier. That's it. 12:31 we have lunch and then I take rest. I read because that is the only thing that I do in between. Then again I just lie down for some time and keep reading. And in the evenings I have again class from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Then after 8 night dinner, that same routine. And then after that I'm very tired. I just hit the bed. That's it.
That's nice.
Okay. 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 Mm. You have never worked anywhere else?
No, I'm not doing any work. And at this
Okay,
time I'm working on my speaking and
okay,
upload video on YouTube.
okay. But are you interested in taking up teaching as a profession in schools or somewhere?
Yes, I love to teach
Mm,
and trying to learn this language. After that, I will try. Means
okay.
I teach. Yeah.
Mm.
I want to one. I want to know
Huh?
one thing.
Hmm.
Why do we make mistakes while speaking? While English speaking.
No, come again. Why do?
Why do we make mistakes while
Okay.
speaking?
While speaking. See, if you're learning the language, if you are new to the language, you are bound to make mistakes. That is okay. Only by mistakes we will learn. So don't ever think that even for the first time when I open my mouth, I'm going to speak correctly. No, no, it's not like that. We will make mistakes, but we will slowly learn by practice. If we don't make mistakes, then we will not learn.
Yes,
We should
and
learn by practice. Yeah. Huh?
what should we do for this? Because you have a
Uh,
great accent. That's why I'm asking.
See, we have to keep speaking. There is no other alternative. Keep speaking and note down your mistakes. Listen to your own videos or audios, note down your mistakes and see that which is the one that you are making mistake, which portion or which part or which word, correct it and then consciously correct it and say it to yourself loudly that, you know, and then next time keep it in mind. That's it. Then by practice, it will come.
Yeah, ma'am. And
Hmm.
we should means I should practice
Yes,
daily
yes,
and
yes, yes,
our vocabulary,
yes.
pronunciation. We
Correct,
have
correct.
I have to work more things. Means every English learner have to work
Yeah.
more
See,
in these
mm,
top
yeah.
things.
See, each of us will have our pluses and minus. So just find out that which part are you weak in, where you need to put more effort. No.
Yes,
So work on that part and keep practicing every day. Let it be, even if you make mistakes, no problem. Only then you will learn. So that is not a problem. But not learning from our mistakes is the problem.
yeah.
Mhm.
So, have you ever faced any disappointment?
Disappointment. Uh, no, I'll tell you why. Not that I have not had any downs in life. I have had downs in life, but I have made my mindset such that I can look at disappointments also with a very even mind.
Okay.
Not that I have not had disappointments, but I have conditioned my mind in such a way that I can take disappointments in a very positive way.
Yeah, that's the good thing. If we
Yeah,
take any disappointment as a positive way, then
yeah,
it's going to be easy for us.
yeah. Because see, there will be disappointments. Everything will not happen as per we want it to happen. It is not
Yes,
possible also. If it happens, means then there is something wrong. So we have to take disappointments in our stride. Stride means like it is also that's also a thing which will happen. Natural. It is natural. So we have to take it very, you should not take it very negatively.
yes, you're right.
But for that, it comes with practice. We have to set our mind like that.
Yeah. And
Mhm.
what makes you happy, ma'am?
Uh, I myself make me happy. I am happy always because I choose happiness.
Okay. And
I
what
choose
makes you
happiness over other things. What makes me
sad? What makes you sad?
sad? Again, I told you, no, it is me. If I think I'm going to be sad, then I'll be sad. It is not the situation or or other people or something else. It is me.
I think you are a means a strong woman.
Yes, 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 yes. But mind you, we have to work for it.
Yeah.
It doesn't come easily, isn't it? With practice, but it is doable. It is not impossible. If I can do it, then anybody can do it because even I am a human, isn't it?
Yes.
It is only conditioning your mind. That's it.
So, have you ever visited in UP?
Yeah, I've been to UP, but quite some years back, not now. Say in early 2000s, I have come to Lucknow, I've come to Kanpur, then where else? Kanpur, Lucknow, I remember. Um, Gwalior is MP. Yeah, these places.
Okay. So, what is your experience? Good or
Yeah,
bad?
I like. Yeah, yeah, I like. I like all places because I love different thing, meeting different people, and talking to different people and getting to know different things, and so I like
So, which language you speak daily? Do
English.
you English?
Yeah, I speak daily
Okay.
because people come to
Your
me, for learning.
place.
Yeah, come again.
In your city, you speak in English.
In my house, you're asking?
Yes, yes.
No, not with my family members. We are only three of us. My son, my husband, and myself. We don't, among us, we don't speak that much of English. It is a mixture of Tamil and English. But
Okay.
with people who come to learn with them, children and everybody, I speak in English.
Yeah. So you can ask
Yeah,
anything if you,
I don't. Okay, how long have you been into this journey?
about 6 months ago.
Okay. Now, what is your experience in these 6 months?
My experience is good, but at
Okay.
the start, more fluent.
Okay. Than you were earlier. Now you are more fluent. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I have to work more hard work.
Yeah,
Uh,
it is a continuous process. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Mm. True.
okay. And so should we wind up this session?
Yeah,
If you
sure,
have a
sure.
question, you can ask.
I can't think of anything, like just like that. Mm, I'm not able to, I'm not able to think any question as of now.
Okay, okay. Should we wind up this session?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Uh,
Yeah.
give,
Okay.
giving me your precious and valuable time.
Same here. Thank you so much for interacting with me. Nice talking to you. Bye and all the
Same here.
best. Bye. Yeah.